My wife was not happy when she opened the door and found that the latch that her hand was on had a black snake hanging on the other side of it. We're about to close the door and see if it's not, if it could possibly be stuck. We'll see how it acts. I think it's okay. She'll go out another door, and we'll watch him come down. Bye for now. No, he's not stuck. I don't think he's
Okay, he's not stuck.
Heading across the house. Slow. Do you want help?